In this video, we'll show you what to do if Excel is not opening on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So the first thing you need to do is head to the search menu and then type in appwiz.cpl. Now select the first result that appears. In here, you will need to locate the Microsoft Office on the list. Simply select it and then click on this change button at the top. Now here you can select this online repair option. Make sure your PC is connected to the internet connection and then click on this repair button right here. Now simply wait for this process to complete. This might take a while, so be patient. Once the repair process is complete, you can try opening Excel again and see if it works. If you are experiencing problems opening a specific Excel file, like this one for instance, simply right click on it and then select Properties. In here, select this unblock option and then click apply followed by OK. Now try opening this Excel file again and see if it works. If you still experience problems, simply try opening Excel using the search menu. If you can access the Excel app, click on options right here. Here you will need to go to this Trust Center tab. Now click on Trust Center settings. Now here go to protected view and then uncheck all three of these checkboxes. Now click on OK. Now go to the Advanced tab, scroll down to this General section and select this Ignore Other Applications checkbox and then click on OK. Now try opening your Excel file again and see if it works. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.